राम, अरे वाह, इंडियन ड्रेस। इंडियन है क्या? शर्ट है क्या है? कुर्ता है? Yeah, nice. Jignasa is looking very pretty. Shiva, Vaishali, Shweta, Isha Bhatnagar, Preeti Duggar, gorgeous. Kavita, Anuya, Rani Iyer, Manasi, Shanti, Ranjana Nayak. Oh my God, you look awesome. You're looking so good. Shamali, Shivali, Sindhuja, Hiral, of course I can't see. There you go, Hiral. There you go. Oh my God, you're looking gorgeous. Kujuben, you look Simi, Pooja, Bindu, Dr. Thiru, Risha Garg, Meenakshi Tandon, Parveen Lasania. Parveen, keep your phone like this. Keep your phone like this. Always keep your phone like this. Rupa Joshi, Dhanya, Urvashi, Hima Bindu K. My God, you're wearing a sari. How will you work out? Sandhya Rani, my God, looking so pretty. Looking like a doll. Rupa Joshi also wearing a sari. Wow. Kurta. Yes, very nice. Malvika, Ajit, Behnaz, Soumya Heble, Neha, Damayanti, Aditi, Jyoti, Ila Agnihotri, Neelam. Hello everybody, come on, give me some energy in the chat box, guys. I almost didn't show up. You know why? My Zoom was hanging. My Zoom was freezing. My God. Guys, you have to switch on all your videos, guys. Please, we need the music. We got to get started. How many of you are not from the Dinas community? Oh, Deepika, you look gorgeous with that necklace. How many of you are not from the Dinas fitness community who have come from Instagram and Facebook? Give me a me in the chat box. No one's talking to me. No one's in the mood to listen to me today talk. So good evening, everybody, and welcome back. And all are ready for the Dasera twist. And I am sorry to say that I couldn't do much decorations, but because all that is very high and my hands were not reaching and I was just feeling lazy. So I just picked up some flowers and put them over there. And put your sticks down. We're going to start with some traditional Garba stuff. And then we'll move into the actual sticks. And if you have family members, ask your family members to join in also. Okay. Send the links to all your friends and family. Chandra B. Is that Chandra B? Yeah, looking good in a sari. Is it a sari or a dupatta? We don't know. Very nice. Now let me pin this for everybody. You know something? I'm very nervous. Let me just check my audio. Okay, audio okay? Come on, guys, show me some energy. Show me some energy, everyone. Yes. Hands up, everyone. Hands up in the air and say, yay. Everyone's dying to see what I'm wearing. We'll start with my favorite Bengali song. Show me some energy, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
आज तुम्हारी लाइव परफॉर्मेंस है और तुम्हारा सावरियाना है।
Thank you so much.
देख के तुझको दिल बोले हाय हाय, तेरे बिना हाल मेरा बुरा होता जाए जाए। थोड़ी शरारती मैं, तू भी थोड़ा शाय शाय, तेरे लिए बाकियों को किया मैंने बाय। ऐसा कैसा प्यार कर लिया ओ सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया, सावरिया सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया सावरिया। हद से गुजर के सब कुछ तेरे नाम कर दिया सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया, सावरिया सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया सावरिया।
धड़के दिल जब उड़े तेरा आंचल, जादूगर तेरी आंखों का काजल, देख के तुझको हुआ जाऊं पागल, ना जाने कब बरसेगा ये बादल। कुछ तो हुआ मुझे आंख जब तुझसे लड़ी, तेरी दीवानगी भी सर पे मेरे चढ़ी। मैं भी हूँ जिद पे अड़ा, तू भी है जिद पे अड़ी, किसी ने भी ना बढ़ाई बातें ये खुद से बढ़ी। ये इश्क सारे आम कर लिया सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया, सावरिया सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया, आ सावरिया सावरिया। सावरिया सावरिया।
Show me some love, guys. 6. Come forward. Go back. Change.
अब चल आजा रे थर 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 हाँ कांपे थर थर हाँ डर डर जी से डर अब ना बालों में बोला बोला रे बोला मोर बतला रे दिल का भूल ना गाए संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय हम हाय ना गाए संग ढोल बाजे हाय 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 हम हाय धिनकड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से भी सरा हो ना गाए संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय हम हाय ना गाए संग ढोल बाजे हाय 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 हम हाय ना गाए संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय हम हाय ना गाए संग ढोल बाजे हाय 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 हम
Come on. Wow! Show me some energy, guys.
और वो गगन झूमेंगे संग संग, सब पे चढ़ेगा आज प्रेम रंग।
रंगी गुलाल होगा, सोचो क्या हाल होगा, नाचेंगे प्रेम रोगी धम धमाना।
हाथ दिला, धिदकिट धिदकिट दिला, बाजे मृदंग। अनमोल मीठे मीठे इसके बोल, आंखें इसकी गोल 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 गोल, तो ढम ढम बाजे ढोल।
छोरा है नटखट, बोली है पटपट, अरे छेड़े पीछे बोले ऐसे बोल, तो ढम ढम बाजे ढोल।
हे बाजे रे बाजे रे बाजे रे, धम धम ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल, तो धम धम बाजे ढोल, तो धम 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 बाजे ढोल।
One more.
रच लो ये रूप तारो छू लूं जरा,
अरे ना,
अरे हाँ, अरे हाँ, हे
रात की रानी जैसे रूप मेरा महकसा,
महकसा
महकसा,
महकसा,
उड़े भी महक मुझे सुना ना तू क्यों महकसा, 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 सा 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 सा।
पास आजा मेरी रानी,
तू नहीं मेरी रानी,
करूँगा मैं मनमानी,
कर शैतानी, अरे रे 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 सा रे 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 रे।
के ढोली तारो, के ढोली तारो, के ढोली तारो, हे ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल, के ढम ढम बाजे ढोल। हे छोरी बड़ी अनमोल मीठे मीठे इसके बोल, आंखें इसकी गोल 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 गोल, तो ढम ढम बाजे ढोल।
छोरा है नटखट, बोले है पटपट, छेड़े बूझे बोले ऐसे बोल, तो ढम ढम बाजे ढोल।
ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल, के ढम ढम बाजे ढोल, के ढम 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 बाजे ढोल।
Mambo.
धम 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 ढोल बाजे बाजे रे ढोल बाजे ढम
Come on. Come on. I want to see. Mambo.
धम 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 ढोल बाजे बाजे रे ढोल बाजे ढम ढम।
Come on. Mambo. Mambo.
हंगामा हंगामा हो गया है,
Freestyle.
हंगामा
Come on.
मम्मा रे।
Yes. Yes. Preeti.
धम 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 ढोल बाजे
Hey, Pratik. Come on. Come on.
धम धम ढोल बाजे बाजे रे ढोल बाजे ढम ढम।
Freestyle. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on, Ranjan. Beautiful. So nice to see families are moving. Wow. 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 I'm so blessed.
You're in the mix with DJ Dave.
गाड़ा तारा तबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग दे बिछड़े लाली तबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग दे बिछड़े लाली सुन ले रो छोरिया तुम्हें नजरिया जब जब ये घूमे हमारी यार ताई हमारी यार ताई हमारी यार
Did the music stop? Ah, okay. Okay. Time to talk. Tell me, how are you feeling, guys? Give me some energy, guys. I need some energy. Have a sip of water if you need to. Thank you. Did we really need to go out for Dandiya? No, we are having it right here in the comforts of our own home.
घिर के आई बारिश बरसात माँ, उड़े 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 जिया कोई तेरे साथ माँ। घिर के आई बारिश बरसात माँ, उड़े 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 जिया कोई तेरे साथ माँ।
I love you guys.
जी यार मेरा लूट ले रे, अरे आपस आर का है पल्लू तू छाड़ मुझे तेरा बना ले पिया, जी यार मेरा लूट ले रे। यहाँ वहाँ कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, तेरी मेरी लगे जोड़ी प्यारी। रंग तारी तूने आके घुमा के जो मारी।
Okay. Time to mark. Quickly mark attendance, guys. Quickly, give me 2 minutes. Quickly mark attendance. How are you loving it? Loving it, Shweta Kakade? Look at Jignasa and I think her husband is looking so cute. Oh my God, you are looking gorgeous. Guys, please take videos. Get your family members to take videos of me working out. You seeing me working out of the group. Please, guys, please take group pictures. Jyotsna, please take a nice group shot for me. Jyotsna. Attendance sheet again. Yeah, Jyotsna, please take a collage, make a collage for me. It's a Google form. It's not a poll, it's a Google form. Please share the form again. Attendance, guys, give your attendance. I won't start the class until 300 people have given attendance. Please give your attendance. Guys, give your attendance, please. Hiral, give me a clue when you're ready. Okay. Guys, if you want me to continue with the class, please mark your attendance. We are sharing a Google Sheet. Hiral, share the Google Sheet again. Guys, if you want me to continue with the session, if you all are having fun, please fill up this Google Sheet. Only 20 people have filled up so far. It is not a poll, Jayashree. Fill up this Google Sheet, please. Please fill up the Google Sheet. Don't type anything in the chat box, please. Share it again. Don't type anything in the chat box. Only click on this link and fill it up. Don't type anything in the chat box. Only click on this link and fill it up. Come on, guys. Cooperate. We need to know security. I'm very particular about security. You know that. Fill up the form. We are going to have some awesome numbers coming up, some great numbers coming up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Last 4 tracks. Okay, let me try to add one more track. Shall I add another track? Don't type anything. No, don't type anything. Give me a clue when you're ready, Hiral. Come on, only 50% done. Girls and boys, please give your attendance. Guys, please give your attendance. Don't make it hard on me. See, those of you who give your attendance, I'm planning to give you a gift. Don't type anything in the chat box. Okay. I'm just continuing. Get your sticks ready.
सोगा तारा तबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग मेरी जुएदारी बात सोगा तारा ओए तबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग मेरी जुएदारी बात रे सोगा तारा ओए तबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग मेरी जुएदारी बात रे के तुम्हें देखा मैं करूं सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात
छुप छुप के मुझे देखा तू कर सारी सारी रात सारी सारी रात
मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां सोगा तारा तबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग मेरी जुएदारी बात सोगा तारा ओए तबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग मेरी जुएदारी बात रे सोगा तारा ओए तबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग मेरी जुएदारी बात रे सीखेगा छबीला सीखेगी छोरी और सीखेगा छबीला रामसिया की देखो निराली है प्रेम लीला प्रेम लीला रंग का बंदी बावरे ताका झांकी क्यों करे रंग का पति बावरे ताका झांकी क्यों करे अपने गुटिल भाव तू जानकी से रंग परे अपने गुटिल भाव तू जानकी से रंग परे ना नैन कर्म कर तू कुछ लाज शर्म कर तू रावण तू कर यहाँ से रवानी गुस्से में काहे को होता लाल पीला में काहे को होता लाल पीला रामसिया की यह निराली है प्रेम लीला प्रेम लीला जैसे राधा श्याम से सीता मिली राम से जैसे राधा श्याम से सीता मिली राम से सबको अपना प्यार यूं मिल जाए आराम से सबको अपना प्यार यूं मिल जाए आराम से सुन छोटू और पप्पू राजू गोपाल गप्पू तुमको भी मिले सपनों की राह मैं डालू डाल पे भंगड़ा तू भीग डाले चले रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत हारे
मन रहे कि मैं ले आऊं जान तारे तारे इन हाथों पर मैं जान रहूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती आई
हेलो हेलो तू मच है तुमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल
बड़ा तड़पावे तू एक ताजगी दिल पर उड़िए हीर एक जल जावे कर दे बिन पिए शराबी चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी कोई क्यों ना इमला बन जावे जो इतनी हो बेताबी
हेलो हेलो दिल दिल से कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना मैंने रानी क्यों इतनी खुश है दीवानी तू मुझको ऐसी कहानी समझा दे
ये बात है सबने चाही मिले जन्मों का हमराही ये हुआ है कुछ ऐसा ही समझे ना
अब मैं जाना कह रही हो कब खाना हो
प्यार करने से भी मुश्किल है निभाना हो
हेलो हेलो डोंट माइंड मी आई ये कहना ये लो जरा मेरे टच में रहना
जम नाच आजे धमाधम ढोल बाजे नॉन स्टॉप हल्ला मचेगा ओए नाचो सारे अपनी फेमस है रात भरी यारियां चले सारा जहां बेथलपुर मां सुन ले ओ चोरियां झूमे नगरियां जब जब ये घूमे कमर यार तारी कमरिया तारी कमरिया बेथलपुर मां सुन ले ओ चोरियां झूमे नगरियां जब जब ये घूमे कमर यार तारी कमरिया
टानिया भी लाया। Tell me baby girl, what is your name जी? पहली नजर में हो गया है तुमसे प्रेम जी।
फंकी फीलिंग है क्यों होना जज्बाती, जज्बाती क्यों होना जज्बाती। छोरे स्वाग वाले छोरियां है नखराती, नखराती नखरे दिखाती। एक बस यही बात बोले रिपीट पे हम जैसा कोई कहा। बेथलपुर मां सुन ले ओ छोरियां, घूमे नगरिया जब जब ये घूमे। कमर यार तारी कमर यार, कमर यार तारी कमर यार। बेथलपुर मां बाबो वाग्यो ने मारो सूठो सोनीरो, जाग्यो जवान लाल बम्मर यार, लाल बम्मर यार, बम्मर यार लाल बम्मर यार।
ओए, सब ठीक ठाक? चिट्ठियाँ लिखना तो तुझे याद ही नहीं रहता। वैसे आज 11 फरवरी है, तुझे याद भी है इस तारीख को क्या हुआ था?
तेरी मेरी गल्लाए होगी मशहूर, करना कभी तू मुझे नजरों से दूर। किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए। जानदा है दिल ये तो जान दिया तू, तेरे बिना मैं न रहूं मेरे बिना तू। किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए। काटू कैसे राता हो सावरे, जिया नहीं जाता सुन बावरे। के राता लंबे आ रे, कटे तेरे संगे आ रे। के राता लंबे आ रे, कटे तेरे संगे आ रे।
दे तारे कहंदे ने सजना, तू ही चन मेरे इस दिल दा मन लवे सजना। तेरे बिना मेरा होवे ना गुजारा, छड़ के ना जावी मैनू तू ही है सहारा।
काटू कैसे राता हो सावरे, जिया नहीं जाता सुन बावरे। के राता लंबे आ रे, कटे तेरे संगे आ रे। के राता लंबे आ रे, कटे तेरे संगे आ रे।
How was it? Guys, we had some absolutely amazingly awesome fun. I'm going to just get my AirPods off. Give me 1 second. Don't go away. Give me 1 second, guys. Describing in words would be an insult. That's so sweet of you. Okay, guys, I have promised a gift. How many of you want? How many of you are silver members and want a gift today? Gold members, don't get angry, and diamond members, so please keep quiet only. How many of you want something festive for you? How many of you are silver members or brand new people and want entry into the community? Give me a me in the chat box. And let me just give me a second. Yeah, this is better. Member who just joined. How many of you are silver members and want a gift? How many of us silver members? Give me a silver in the chat box. Give me, as if I don't have enough silvers, I have to go home. If I don't have enough silvers, I'll go home. How many of you in this room are not part of the Dinas Fitness community? Give me a no in the chat box. No. New member. New member, no, no. Silver. If you're silver, give me silver. If you're no member, give me a no. Okay, so there are a lot of newbies. Preeti, do you think we should give the gift to the new people? Because it's Dussehra. Do you think we should bring more new people in the community? Yes? Yes, yes. Okay, what about you, all of you? Shivaram, do you think we should bring in more people? My sister is not joined. No, but my mother uses this account. I'm a new member. I don't care even if your grandmother uses your account. I don't have a problem with that. Guys, listen to me. Those of you who are new members, to enter the community, we have silver, gold, and diamond membership. Okay. Now, if you're a new member, you will get access directly into gold membership today because it is Happy Dussehra. If you're a silver member, I'm going to give you a mind-blowing, crazy, absolute, silly, stupid. My husband also is agreeing with me. And he's saying it is Happy Dussehra. So you can't do this to your people. You have to give it to them. He begged me today to give you this mind-blowing offer. The actual price of entering the gold membership is 30,000 rupees. Actual price is 30,000. If you can go into the website and check it out. But because it is Happy Dussehra, how many of you feel it is Happy Dussehra? Give me a show of hands. It is Happy Dussehra, and because it is Happy Dussehra, I'm going to give you this entire gold bundle which means you're going to have access to nutrition, mind programming, access to weight loss, access to the live digital workout archives, the recorded versions, blah, 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 and blah. Only and only for now for 12,000 rupees, including GST. So I am going to give you the link. Click on this link and go make the payment. Once you have made the payment, yeah, Hiral just take care of the link. Once you have made the payment, I want you to go and tell me in the chat box that you have already paid. Now, any gold members in the room who would like to talk about the gold membership? Give me a me in the chat box. Anybody who would like to talk about the... And there's a 90-day challenge. Oh, yes. Oh, it's a deal, Arunima. Arunima Jain, chalo, you talk. Let me catch hold of Arunima. Yeah, Arunima, you can unmute yourself.
So guys, this is a deal, okay? Now you don't know what you're gonna fall in. This is a superb, awesome, mind-blowing, crazy deal that you can go in for. Happy Dussehra to all, and believe me, this is a Dussehra where you're gonna gift something to yourself, which you will relish it all your life, and you will be like in a absolutely different kind of a place. I am overwhelmed right now, Dinaz. I don't know what am I talking.
Thank you.
I must say, please guys, this is something what you need to do it.
Thank you.
You will be missing out something.
Thank you so much. Shivaram, will you talk? Give me a thumbs up if yes. Yeah. Go. Unmute yourself.
Yeah. Hi. I think
First tell me, how was the session?
the session was awesome. I managed to come back from office quite early today, and I managed to change also. And you asked me the question whether it's a shirt or a kurta, so it's definitely a kurta today.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Yeah. And I wouldn't have missed this for the life of it. But with travels and with lot of traffic, you generally tend to miss all the evening sessions. But lucky I got it today. And what I would like to say to all of you here is, I think if you can grab this session, I think you should grab it with both hands, both legs, and with your credit card right now in front of you, and just grab it. I think this is an awesome Dussehra offer. I don't think we'll get it ever.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Did your family also dance with you?
Yeah, my daughter was dancing on the sides.
Very nice. Very nice. Homai, how did you feel after you joined the gold membership?
Oh God, I cannot tell you. When I joined, should I say Dinaz's fitness, I was 68 years old. My bones used to creak when I used to get off the bed. But now I just jump out of the bed and I just wait for the classes. I've had a major surgery, and I'm getting back. But I feel so lost when I don't do the exercise. And I think this is a beautiful, beautiful platform for all you youngsters. Please grab it. It's really lovely. You will not regret it. And something for yourself. You can have some me time. Great. I enjoy it. Bless you.
Community rocks.
This community rocks. Shivaram, when I started, I really didn't know that it would go to this level. Honestly speaking, I had no idea that this would really go up. On an average, we are doing 700 people live in the workouts.
Wow.
Wow. When I joined this community, I never believed that I would have so many friends, so many like-minded people talking the same language, talking the same things over, and everybody is behind one another to guide everybody, to motivate everybody. I think I've never seen anything like this.
Yeah, love, the community love. Oh God, if you are down, the community just stands by you and they just push you up, you know. It's beautiful, beautiful. I've never seen it anywhere.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Who are the other gold members? Would love to bring you all in and let you all ask you all to talk. All silver members, grab this offer. I'm not going to give it to you, though Dussehra is tomorrow and day after tomorrow. This will be only today because I really want you guys to stay committed. I know that a lot of you need to lose weight. I know that a lot of you are just working on workouts and just focusing on that. Here you will also get access to the live digital workout library. Hey, Preeti, come. I think it was your daughter who was dancing with you. Give me a second. Let me give, yeah. As
Daughter-in-law.
Daughter-in-law. Wow. Oh my.
She was enjoying it. And then she had to go for a call. For all those who spoke, Shivaram, Homai, Masi, and everybody, I know you all spoke about the community, but for those who are new here, this is Dinaz, she's a different level altogether. Her energy, she just gives us that energy. So for all those who are still thinking, just jump in. This is just for yourself and nobody else. She just rocks, and the energy level that she has, it's mind-blowing. It's just mind-blowing. So I love it. And I've been here for almost 1.5 years and thoroughly enjoying. Day after day, week after week, month after month, all of us are here and we're still enjoying it. So please join.
Thank you so much. You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Ranjana Nayak. How much weight have you lost, Ranjana, after joining gold?
I joined silver in Feb, and then immediately within a week I moved to gold and then diamond. So I have lost from Feb till now 17.5 kgs. And Dinars is awesome. There's no doubt this is a golden opportunity. Jump in, guys. You need to grab it.
How do you think that they should get it?
Yes.
Did you enjoy the session today?
Obviously, it is rocking. I had everything on. I removed everything when I was exercising. Sweating like crazy and then like wiping myself. Then I was like, I remove everything and throw and then just work out.
Fantastic. We have got one more guy. Alternately, I'm trying to find the guys in the room and then girls in the room. Ashok ji from Durgapur. How do you feel after joining the community? How do you feel?
I can't miss a single session.
Huh?
Yes. And
How much
my counter offer is here. You start morning workout 7 days a week. I take diamond. 6 days a week, I take gold.
You are a brat, okay? Stop it. I'm trying to get an offer going over here, and now you are going to another counter offer.
Evenings are not possible for me because
I know. I don't do in the evenings also anyway. But आपको community में आके ये कैसा लग रहा है?
I am enjoying every part, every people of this community. Many are in my friends list also now. So I am enjoying.
Great. Thank you so much. Pallavi wants to talk. Pallavi, oh my God, you look pretty. Pallavi, are you, 1 second. Can you unmute yourself? Unmute, not this. Me too, Deepika next. Pallavi, are you from the community? Can you unmute yourself, please?
I'm from community from January, and I'm just thoroughly enjoying all the sessions. And
you're a silver member or a gold member or a diamond member?
I'm a gold member.
You're a gold member. And after joining gold, how do you feel?
It's just awestruck, and just the energy you have, you just transfer the energy is just unbelievable.
Great. Your dress is very pretty and you look very pretty.
Thank you. Thank you. Like you, ma'am.
Which city are you from?
I'm from Maharashtra, Kolhapur.
Kolhapur. Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dee. Thank you very much.
Deepika. Guys, jump in another few minutes. I will be closing this. I can't find Deepika. D-I-P-I? Yeah, Deepika.
She's
yeah,
there.
Deepika. Hi, Deepika. Arey, look at her. Deepika. What is she doing? What is on earth is she doing?
Deepika, what are you doing? Your laptop has to be unmuted.
Deepika is taking selfies.
She's on two devices.
Just unmute your laptop. Oh God.
Yeah. Okay, now don't touch anything.
Must be having goosebumps as
Deepika, Dee will ask you a question, you just answer.
How are you? We can't hear you. We can't hear you, Deepika, okay?
Actions. Deepika, actions.
Okay, Deepika. Yeah, you look good. Perfect. Damayanti, next. I want to see all of you also one by one. Oops. Damayanti, how was the session today? How did you feel?
Okay, hi. Yeah, it's an awesome session. Okay, I don't miss any of these sessions. Guys, this is the best offer what you can get, and it's an investment. As a finance person, I tell you, this is an investment on your health. Go and grab it. You know, I joined in June end. It's 3 months now. I was from WhatsApp class. Directly, I jumped into Diamond because I had experienced so many other fitness coaches, but this is the ultimate coach whom I have found, where no dieting and reduce the weight. For 3 months, I reduced 7 kgs. It's not a small thing because I've been trying to reduce weight from past 6-7 years. Guys, please grab it. It's a good offer what you get, and I don't think future you get this offer.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's start welcoming all those who have made the payment. I'd like to be calling out your names and make sure that your names have been called out. Hold on. Okay, let me welcome Navina, Sasi Devi, Dr. Shamali, Neena Menon, Nirmala, Sushila, Komal, Deepa, Lolita, Nutan, Parveen, Praveena, Dhanya, Beroz, Divecha, Anuja, Varma, Dr. Priyanka, Rebecca, Shweta, Mamta, Behnaz, Suratia, Navneet, and Sindhuja. I'd like to welcome each and every one of you into the Gold membership, and hearty congratulations for taking that leap for faith and coming in there. Thank you so much. Kavita. I didn't see Kavita's name. Did I call Kavita's name? No. Okay. So anybody else has any questions related to the Gold membership? Anybody has any questions related to the Gold membership? No. Yes, Kavita, please ask your question. What exactly does Gold offer? Okay, so let me tell you that when you join the Silver membership, you are getting the live workouts, and then you got you don't get the recordings. You get every Tuesday evening, you meet me live, and over and above that, you have the blueprint and the self-evaluation and all those bonuses. When you join the Gold, you get the recordings of the workouts, which is 200 plus recordings by now. Then you get a 30-day challenge, where in 30 days, I help you to lose about 3 to 4 kgs, depending on what your weight is. Then I teach you and guide you everything to do with nutrition. Over and above that, I do mind programming, and we do some mental exercises to help your mind get strong. Over and above that, I have a 90-day challenge where I give you a diet plan for 30 days and a workout plan, diet plan for 3 months and a workout plan for 3 months. And it's a step-by-step process, and you will get every Thursday, you will meet me live, except tomorrow. So that's a lot that I'm giving you guys. So guys, those of you who are still worried about it, go take that leap of faith. If you miss it out today, the actual price of it coming in tomorrow will be 30,000. The sessions are on Thursday evenings, which are theory sessions. And you'll have a Q&A session. Okay. See me? Close. There is no annual retainer. There is no hidden cost. Nothing, guys. I'm not into all that. There are no hidden costs. Okay. Next level is Diamond membership. So hearty congratulations once again to each and every one of you. Thank you so much. I really loved the session. I danced to my heart's content. I really enjoyed myself. And I just loved what I was doing, and I really, I'm on a mission to help people to understand that exercising is critical. But when you come to Dinas and you come to the Dinas Fitness community, we make it fun. My only request is, guys, go out there and make sure that you are making a change and spreading the word. Let people in the country know what we do inside. Encourage them to come and join the 5-day WhatsApp class, because it's about not only about you getting the benefits, about you creating the ripple effect. So thank you one and all. Thank you to each and every one of you for coming in here. And once again, wishing you and your loved ones a very happy Dussehra. Let's do a Dussehra bye-bye. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thank you, and thank you.